Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI P40 Lite 5G and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this button we can open the advanced camera settings, and here at the first place we have the aspect ratio. So let's tap on this. As you can see, we have 3 ratios we can pick, 4 and 3 the recommended one, which is now 1 and 1, so let me change this. And also when we go back to the camera preview, we can see that this is the square 1 ratio. We can also go here again and pick the full screen ratio, and also this is how it looks like in the camera preview. And once again we can easily go back to the original 4 and 3 the recommended one. And let's go back to the camera. As you can see, this is the original one. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.